What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Log into the Instagram account you want to delete. Using the mobile app, navigate to your profile section and tap on the burger menu on the top right to access your Instagram account settings. In the Account section, tap on Delete Account. You will see two options, namely Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account and proceed with your account deletion. If you're unable to find the Delete Account option, then head back to your main Instagram account settings. Tap on Help and then Help Center. From here, navigate to Manage your account and finally tap on Delete your account. You will be able to stop the deletion of your account for a month until your account is permanently deleted. It may be wise to request your data and save images you wish to keep before deleting your Instagram account. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.